Obwabire nagambira mu rukiko rw'eby'obugabe bw'abantu aha mbuga nkuru za district ya Kikuube orutebekanisiibwe abarikurwanirira obugabe bw'abantu omu kyanga kya Burengero rw'Izooba. Kagoda naagira ngu kuribatirira obugabe bw'omuntu kurebekere omu bantu abatungire sente z'enshumbushano.
Some people are complaining about workers on the roads taking away their wives. Let me. Then, at the same time, families are getting involved in disputes, fighting for that money they are receiving out of compensation. Those cases we are having there. Now, even some people laying claim over land which is not theirs because they suspect that money is going to come out of there.
Luke Kapolon disuwa district ya Kikuube nagira ngu emishango yo kuribatirira obugabe bw'omuntu ebaremera okukyendeza ahabwo butagira kooti ey'okwejunisibwa omu kukozesa abagikozere.
Then there are issues to do with the sugar cane and tea growing also in this district now. And children's rights are being abused. Some of these children are made to work cutting sugar cane and doing all this work, and they are dropping out of school.
And many a times when we do our community engagements, we realize that we are grappling with issues of early and forced marriages, children dropping out of schools. So together with the different stakeholders, as Uganda Human Rights Commission, we come up with ways to solve this solution and sensitize both the parents and the children on their rights and responsibilities.
Omu kwezi kwa 10 omwaka gw'2026 President Museveni akarangirira Uganda kwina amajuta omuri Bunyoro aha nyanja ya Albert. Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.